YouTube. This is the third picking the channel. Hey! Alright, y'all, please check it in the one. Whoa, 32 in Carver. Let's go, y'all, please. You hit this one, hit that bell. It's a comment, and then like if you it's snow outside. Look at the snow, y'all.
Yeah.
Look at this.
It's pretty icy.
I've been outside. My best friends picked me up. Got to win bitches today. They got
Kelsey, Leah, Liam.
Hey, you guys, they
Send us some love. Send us some love in the comments.
And I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this first and that. So I'm gonna come back in the car. And that, I'm gonna do the transmitter, y'all, on this camera. My best friend forever.
You're my best friend forever, Steven.
And my best friend about this, y'all.
Leah had to take Alyssa's place because Alyssa had to go be with her husband. And Liam,
And
new
Liam,
addition.
Addition. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go part of doing this intros. So I'm gonna do this in one of the difference. Alright, so I'm gonna do one of the new intros.
A new intro?
My best friends on the pictures on the TikTok. So we're gonna do that.
Pictures on the beach, yeah. We're gonna do pictures on the beach challenge.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do go part this even doing a lot. So what like this comment? This females. What likes this comment?
Ooh, 500 likes.
The 500 likes in the trap and let's film doing this.
That's right, yeah.
You know, outside, and my best friends.
We're going to, tell them where we're going.
We got to Wendy's.
We're pulling into Wendy's.
Yeah, I guess.
And we're gonna get 4 cheeseburgers. 4 number ones with mayonnaise and ketchup.
That's a good part of doing. I
Steven's
love
go-to. And some fries for his cousin.
Yeah, I know.
Steven is a good man. If any of you ladies are out there single, you watching this, hit Steven up. He's a good man.
Yeah,
He loves his family.
I do.
Works a good job.
Okay, hold on. So, my cousin Donna passed away on June 14th, 2024. A long time years ago. Prison comment, everything, love and support and different lot, pray my family. My nephew, Cass, passed away.
Steven, what?
My everything. My sister had a new baby. And got my niece Carmen. And Father Time Day come up. February 14th. And Father Time come up, right?
Valentine's Day is February 14th.
I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna go part this intros. So I'm gonna move lights. This comment. What light is coming?
1,000.
Listen, why did I do this lights? I'm gonna probably
100,000?
So I'm gonna put this with this job and go part this intros. This is the doing. This what is
What's your Instagram? Leah loves KFC.
Why didn't Lisa Tracy got in a bottle? Why didn't Tracy
I don't have Instagram, but usually it's at Kelsey Priest, and Liam doesn't have Instagram either. Hit me up.
When the balls was the champion, why didn't link the bottle? Go check it out in the pictures, videos, editing. Let's get in this intro, right? We're gonna see in this side. Let's
go inside. Do you stop the video or?
No.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Dude, you didn't know Steven was a vlogger?
Yo, it's snow outside, y'all. This good part, this is gonna slow down. You see that snow?
Yeah, it's snowing right
Look
now.
at this. It's snowing, y'all. Check it out. Look at mud snow right here, y'all. Look at this. Look at that.
Look how good this looks. Oh, there's a fireplace in there.
Ooh, go. This is good. Look at this. It's good. Alright, I'm on the side, y'all.
Let's go inside, y'all. Holding the door for my boy.
Hey.
I don't play about my boy. I don't play about my boy. Alright.
We don't get there, Casey.